this is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook a perfect hard-boiled egg every single time. So let's get into the recipe. First, place eggs in a medium bowl and cover with cold water by one each and bring it to a boil. Rapid boil. Then you put the heat off and let it continue to boil for about 9 minutes while the heat is off. After 9 minutes, you get an ice 9 to 12 minutes, depending on how hard you want the yolk to be. So mine is 12 minutes. So depending on how hard you want yours to be, then you use that time. Then I'm just taking them after the 12 minutes. I'm just taking them out of the warm water into an ice cold water. My ice has melted, but it's really cold, and I'll just let it sit in for about 10 to 14 minutes until it cools down. Then you just take them out and peel the shell, and you're ready to go with your eggs. There you have it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.